If weight loss is your goal, I would highly recommend doing this one thing. The majority of women I work with have hormone imbalance symptoms, and that includes things like they're always tired, they can't sleep, they're craving sugar, and one of the most frustrating symptoms they're dealing with is the weight. It just will not come off no matter how healthy they eat, no matter how much they exercise. They're doing all the right things, but the weight just will not budge, and it especially favors that tummy area, which is really hard to lose. If this sounds like you as well, you are not alone, and there are two main hormones at play, and they are cortisol and insulin. When those two hormones are out of balance, you tend to favor fat storage in your tummy area, and it's really hard to shift that body fat. One thing that ties in both cortisol and insulin is blood sugar balance. When your blood sugar spikes, insulin comes in to shuffle glucose from your blood into your cells to use for energy. When your blood sugar crashes, your body can use cortisol to come in and make blood sugar from your body's tissues, and that can include your muscle tissue as well. So keeping your blood sugar nice and stable helps to prevent issues with insulin and cortisol. When your blood sugar is out of whack and it's going up and down like this, your energy is following the same pattern. When you can get your blood sugar under control, you reduce cravings, you feel more energized, you have less brain fog, your moods are more balanced, and you have better hormone balance as well. So what is the best thing for blood sugar balance? Protein. The far majority of us are not eating enough protein. If weight loss is your goal, you want to aim for around 30 grams of protein with each of your meals. If you're hungry between meals, it's a good idea to have a protein-rich snack as well. Now you can start by tracking how much protein you're currently eating in a free app called Easy Diet Diary, and that's going to give you a good idea as to whether you are meeting that 30 grams of protein at each meal or if you're falling short of that. If you can boost your protein intake, you are going to notice big changes with your energy, your weight loss is going to feel more effortless, you're going to have less cravings, less brain fog, better moods, but you're also going to notice your hair starts growing thicker and longer, your nails are growing longer, your skin's looking better, you're retaining more muscle mass. To help you out with this, I'm giving you 5 free recipes that are 30 grams of protein per serve. If you can do this one thing, you're going to see a big difference with your weight loss goals.